we were winning our every day for like 4 days in a row, and then all of a sudden just a losing streak like crazy. I don't know what's going on. It is September 3rd. Gotta go take mom's car in to get the radiator changed out. $800. Kind of depressed about that. But we're gonna take an Uber to the Strip, check out Treasure Island, a couple places. And I gotta call a couple different jobs because like I said, I wanna apply at a couple different jobs, give myself some different options. I'm not a big fan of this job. But anyways, let's go ahead and get going on this.
So even though we face difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream.
Made it to Treasure Island. We're gonna go in here and play for a little bit. We're not gonna spend too much here because it's been losing. Yesterday we lost quite a bit, so we can't be spending too much money like that. But the Uber driver was an alright dude, but he was a whiner. I hate people that whine all the time. And I hate Vegas, I hate driving here, I don't like going on the Strip. It's like, well dude, then why'd you take the ride? Tried every buffalo around this little circle thing. $100 down, quick. I don't know what was going on. We were playing 80-cent bets. We're not even playing max bet, high bet, or anything like that. We're just not hitting nothing. The last 2 days just been a nightmare gambling. Might walk over to the Wynn or somewhere else because this place, Treasure Island used to be the spot to gamble, and it just kind of fell to the dumps, to be honest. Down 120 at Treasure Island. Now we're gonna head over to the Wynn. I only took like 400 out of the bank, so try not to spend all that, but let's see if we can win anything over at the Wynn.
I know that if something is instantly gratifying, it will be repeated.
You have to be able to take risks.
We will make America great again.
Your mouth is a creative weapon. It's not a tool for distributing excuses. The first sign of a loser is an excuse. Champions take full responsibility, good or bad, for their outcomes. Tell the world one time what you're gonna do, and that's it.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left
Down 60 over here at the Win. We actually played this Buffalo game. It wasn't too bad. We played for a while, but in the end, you still lose 60. So down 180 for the day. I don't know what's going on. We're on a losing streak from hell lately. We're winning every day for like 4 days in a row, and then all of a sudden just a losing streak like crazy. I don't know what's going on. So maybe 20 or 40 more bucks here, and that's the end of this place.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined. Will you kiss me? Will you play? Will you judge me? Ain't no way I could deny you. I could strive. Will you kiss me? Ain't no way.
If we win any money, depends on what we're eating. We might be splitting a hot dog. Came to the Palazzo, and we were killing it. We were up like 120 and ended up putting like 80 bucks back. So $40 profit here. We're still down like 190 since we've been on the strip. The car should be done here very soon, so we'll probably head that way very soon. Down 60 bucks at the Venetian. Man, I don't know, it's up and down. It's been really down lately. Back at the Mirage. I'll be here a few minutes probably, and then go back to the auto place. we're down 60 here at the Mirage. End up winning $60.06. So we're even now. So I gotta go to the bathroom and then possibly get a margarita. We still got almost 3 hours on the dang car still. It's taking them all day. They said 4 hours, but as long as they do it right, I don't give a damn how long it takes, to be honest. We're leaving the Mirage. We're headed over to Treasure Island and grab a drink and maybe a sandwich at CVS. Just got the car back and back home. Seems to be running good. The AC's nice and cold. They recharged that, put a new radiator cap, new thermostat, new radiator, 800 bucks. But we needed it done. And Treasure Island was crazy. We were down about 280 before we went back to Treasure Island. End up winning 170 there, down 110, 8 hours almost on the strip. So not too bad. Obviously it's nice to win, but when you're only down $110 compared to 280, and we lost 280 yesterday, so so anyways, but we're back home. We're gonna eat some dinner, and that's gonna be the end of it, guys. Thank you for watching the videos. I appreciate you guys very much. There's gonna be plenty more vlogs coming your way, along with some special walkthrough videos and exploring Las Vegas. We're gonna explore different places in Las Vegas, but for now, peace out, salute, and we will see you next time.